What's up guys, this is Warley from WMD Tech and today we will be checking the Corsair K55 RGB Gaming Keyboard. The Corsair K55 RGB Gaming Keyboard costs around 2,999 pesos or $50. So let's find out if it's worth your money. This keyboard has several features like RGB backlighting mode, 6 dedicated macro keys, anti-ghosting multi-key, and media controls. Before we begin, here's a quick sound test for the keyboard. This keyboard has a minimum noise and it has a membrane switches. The RGB light is embedded deep inside that shines from the white surface, so there's nothing special on the keys. I've been using this keyboard for a month now, and what I like about this keyboard is the detachable wrist rest. Unlike the high-end keyboard Razer or Nata with a foam detachable wrist rest, the K55 comes with a soft rubber wrist rest. The wrist rest is quite hard but it's very comfortable even on using it for several hours. On the top of the keyboard, we have the dedicated multimedia controls, the macro record key, backlight brightness key, and the Windows key disable. You can also directly access the audio without interrupting your game by using the multimedia audio controls. And we also have the 6 programmable macro keys as well. One thing about the macro keys is sometimes I tend to press those keys when I'm playing, especially when you're used to a normal keyboard. And that is my review of K55 RGB Gaming Keyboard from Corsair. If you like it, just hit the like button, and if you didn't like it, just press the dislike button. And if you want to see more review videos, just hit the subscribe button. See you guys on my next review.